the great thing about measures in DAX is that they're totally flexible, okay? And this is also a great feature in Power BI itself, because currently what you can see is we got the customer names and we got the total sales, the total cost, the total profit, and the profit margin for each of the customer, okay? But what if now your superior or your boss or whoever comes and asks you, well, that's nice for the customer, but I'd like to see this actually for the products we have. So all you do is you simply, okay, no problem, go to your table, and instead of using the customer name, you simply go to your product data and simply use the product name instead. Yeah, you simply use the product name and simply drag it here and place it here. Okay, place it here, and then you simply remove the customer name itself because you do not need this dimension itself, and then you have for each of the products, you now have the sales value as well as the cost value as well as the profit value and the margin, of course. So pretty easy to do this. Simply change the dimension, and that's the power of a good and well-structured model. Okay, but as long as you have your model set up correctly, all you need to do is you switch the specific dimension and you got a complete new context, and all the measures, of course, update immediately. Okay, and that is why you can also switch to each kind of different dimension to do it, right? So if I, for instance, go in here and select another visualization like the donut chart itself, I got my donut chart, and then I want to see maybe, in this case, for instance, the total profit, select the total profit, and then I go into, let's say, location data, and now I'd like to see this for the specific state. I can simply select the state, and I got California. There's only one state, okay, but let's say I would like to see this for the county, so instead get rid of the state and select the county, and I got exactly the specific value for my county. So the total profit for each specific county, okay? So pretty easy, and again, it's evaluated on the fly, and that's a great thing. The measures are totally flexible, so no matter what kind of questions you have, you can answer it immediately with your DAX calculations in Power BI. You just need to use another dimension or the specific dimension you want to use and want to get an idea of what the data looks like, okay? So that's that, and as always, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.